Hi, I am Chrissy Ball, your North Dallas realtor, and today I am here in the town of Prosper, Texas, which is just located north of Dallas and Frisco, Texas. And I'm in the beautiful community of Windsong Ranch, which, if you've watched any of my other videos, you know how much I love Windsong Ranch. But what makes this community so unique and special is that you've got amazing amenities, the Crystal Lagoon, so many hiking and biking trails, and you just have a community that likes being out and together. There's so many things to do with your kids. The schools are absolutely top notch. But what even makes things more amazing is that the PGA headquarters is being built right across the street. And there are so many things that are going to be built in the future that makes all of this such a highly sought after area. But today I am sharing with you the beautiful model built by Belclaire. I cannot wait for you to see how special this home is and the builder Belclaire, what they have done in contributing to Windsong Ranch. Without making you wait any longer, this is a model home built by Belclaire. Okay, I told you this was a beautiful home. as you know, I would love to hear what was your favorite aspect, design element, or room in this home. I love how open and airy this floor plan is. I love the beams in the main room, and I like the movie room too. It makes you want to just jump in there and watch a movie all night long, which is one of our favorite things to do for sure as a family. But I want to know what your favorite thing to do is as a family. If you're relocating here, if you're looking for a new home, I would absolutely love to help you through your process. I would just love to know your opinion about what you like about these homes. And if you want to see any more home tours, you can jump on my page. You can see all of the different builders that are building here in the local area. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I cannot wait to see you next time.